In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dxtrade on Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, integrating your brokerage account with Tradingview can make your trading experience smoother and more efficient. Today, we'll focus on connecting Dxtrade to Tradingview, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your trades directly from the charts, saving you time and offering a streamlined workflow. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and follow along. Now, let's dive right in. First, open Tradingview in your web browser. Tradingview is the platform we'll be using to integrate Dxtrade, and it provides powerful charting tools along with the ability to connect to various brokers. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, log into your Tradingview account. Make sure you're logged in because you won't have access to all the features and broker integrations without it. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It only takes a few minutes. Next, look at the top of the homepage. You'll see the navigation menu bar. This is where you'll find everything you need. From there, click on the Products tab. This tab is where Tradingview stores its tools and integrations, making it your gateway to everything the platform offers. When the drop-down menu appears, scroll down until you see Trading Panel and click on it. The Trading Panel is like your control center. It's where you can link your brokerage accounts and manage trades directly. Once you're in the Trading Panel, find the option labeled All Brokers. Clicking this ensures you get the full list of supported brokers, not just the featured ones. It's always a good idea to check the full list to make sure you don't miss anything. Now in that list of brokers, search for Dxtrade. You can either scroll down manually or use the search bar at the top of the panel to find it faster. Typing Dxtrade in the search bar will save you time and effort if the list is long. When you see Dxtrade in the list, go ahead and select it. This will bring up the connection details for Dxtrade. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Dxtrade account. The process will typically involve logging into your Dxtrade account and authorizing the connection. Once you've done this, your Dxtrade account will be linked to Tradingview. This integration allows you to manage your trades directly from Tradingview's charts, combining analysis and execution in one seamless platform. Now, if you don't see Dxtrade listed, don't worry just yet. It's possible that Dxtrade isn't supported in your region. Broker availability can vary depending on your location or recent integration updates. In this case, double-check the supported regions for Dxtrade. If you still can't find it or are unsure about support in your country, you can reach out to Tradingview or Dxtrade's customer support. They'll be able to provide you with the most up-to-date information on future integrations or suggest alternative solutions you can explore in the meantime. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Dxtrade with Tradingview and start managing your trades more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.